Kia ora and welcome to Parry Kauri Park, a walk through New Zealand's last Kauri stronghold. This is a forest bathing escape following a spectacular wooden path through this ancient Kauri forest. If you love first-person 4K walks in New Zealand, subscribe to BinkyT. Here's the plan. It's an easy loop entirely on a Boardwalk. We're slowing right down to capture every detail of this Kauri forest. At the absolute stunning Parry Kauri Park. I'm gonna go walk around to see more of these amazing monsters. Each of these parks are trying to prevent Kauri diebacks, so please clean the shoes. So many fun facts about Kauri trees.
They live for a very long time.
They do live for a very long time.
New Zealand natives. Hardy.
So this one is called the Simpson Kauri and is 600 years old. A bit about this game. I'm sure we'll see lots more. Kawakawa. Totara. Lots of fun facts along the walk.
Not to be confused with Totara. Maybe he lives here.
Totara. In the wrong country if you want to see Totara. A mid-north forest bird. Project nameplates. So let's follow the markers. Absolutely wonderful Boardwalk. 2. There's a fern. Wow, these guys are big. So you can bring your furry friends with you, however, they must be on leash the whole time. What is number 3? This is a Totara, a tall, slow-growing forest tree reaching a great age. Ooh. Huge. 4. Tairare. That sounds like a bird. I have no idea how many numbers there are though, that's the only thing. You could come to the end of it, there might be like hundreds. Nikau. We know this one. A palm tree. Five. Tairare. Is that massive?
I think so.
Wow. It's a monster. Super cool.
Hey, dude.
Hey. 6. There's a Poodity. That guy. Another massive Kauri tree. Look at that. That's a good 300 years. This is a really lovely pathway. And there are so many Kauri trees. I think this is the most I've ever seen, except for the Kauri Cathedral. This one's definitely a lot easier access, so the cathedral walk is many stairs. Rimu and a cardio.
Twisty vines.
Yes, those are your Georgia the jungles. a lot of the Kanuka in here. Kanuka and Manuka. Dare I start that conversation again? Tairare! Well. Things to note about this track, it does say that the car park closes at 5 p.m. However, the sign at the front says the car park closes at 8. Depending on daylight savings, it would be a good walk at night. It doesn't seem like it's that crowded. It's just mostly dog walkers is all we've seen.
Fabulous track.
Fabulous. What is that? Kanono Rorikau. Don't know. I just don't know. I am no biologist. Nor am I just a general green thumb. Look at this. Go around the mulberry bush, around the Kauri trees in this one. Wow, these guys are huge. This is very cool. A lot of work in this one. See how vast the pathway is. And it's so peaceful. And I'm ruining it with my loud mouth. There's definitely a forest. It's abandoned. Oh. This is a Nikau. I'll tell you about it while we're here. Approximately 10 meters, flowers in November to April. The world's southernmost natural occurring palm. Flowers are long spikes from the base leaves. The brilliant red fruit is a favorite food of the native pigeon. Mouldy used the leaves for thatching and basket making. Back to the other part of the track. No action on the bird feeder, unfortunately. Trees. Wow. Magical. Surreal. Look at that. Pay for that. Speaking of payment, this is technically speaking a free walk. However, a donation for maintenance is appreciated. Bask in the glory of these guys. To really appreciate these beautiful, beautiful trees. Truly magical place. That is a road to nowhere, unfortunately. Still slightly under maintenance, bits and pieces of it. Righty-ho. What do you think?
It's amazing. It's totally unexpected. Serene.
Stunning place. Very much worth a visit.
Definitely. Put it on your list.
Put it on the list.